search for new is nothing to do with you, nothing to do with your efforts. But to do nothing does not mean to cease to act. To do nothing means it's not keeping quiet, doing nothing. Do nothing does not mean to cease to act. It is to act without wish, without will, without any direction from the past, without any impulse of the past. You have to act without disturbance. Search for new is not an ordinary search. It's a search for new. Search of new is not ordinary, because how can you search for it? You cannot search for it. You don't know. You have never met with it. It is just going to be an open exploration. It's going to be an open exploration. One knows not. You have to start from the state of not knowing. You have to move from the state of not knowing. That is, you have to move like an innocent child. Innocently like a child, thrilled with possibilities. There are infinite possibilities in life, infinite. You cannot do anything to create new. Whatsoever you do, it will be of the old, it will be from the past. It does not mean you have to cease to act. Again, I will repeat it once again. You have to act without wish, without will, without the impulse, without the direction of the past. You have to act meditatively, spontaneously. Let that moment should be decisive. You don't decide. If you decide immediately, your past decides that, and you destroy the new. Past means old. It decides. When it decides, new will be destroyed. You will destroy the new. Every moment, that is each moment, just act like a child, innocently, utterly abandoned to yourself, to the moment. Utterly abandoned to yourself, to the moment. Every day is a new opening. Every day is a new opening, new light, and new insight. Those insight will really, it goes on, change. It brings new changes in you. One fine day, suddenly you see your each moment is new. You see that each moment is a new moment. No old lingers around you. No more old, no more surrounds you or hangs you like a cloud. You will become a dewdrop. And a dewdrop, fresh and young. This is the meaning of resurrection. That is, act rising. That is the act arising out of dead. It is total rebirth. That is why in Kannada we say, every pratyondu kshana, ಆ ಘಳಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುವುದು, ಆ ಘಳಿಗೆ ಸಾಯುವುದು. The creativity and the destruction together. That ego destroys and wisdom comes up. Light comes up and darkness destroys. It happens simultaneously.